Don't press that button like Stickman. It will turn everything to go out to life.
I think when I press the button, nothing happens. I'm gonna press it and see what happens. I would like to be 100 times bigger, sir.
I don't know what to do. I don't have. Oh, I have one. Okay, Abracadabra, make White Stickman 100 times bigger.
Wow, it looks so big that I'm imagining I could fit the whole screen.
Ooh, me next. Let's do 100 times smaller. I don't know if we could do that, but I'll try. Abracadabra, make Pig Stickman 100 times smaller. It's so tiny that I never have. If you want to stay like this, you need to pay for money, sir. Good. Enjoy of your rest of your beautiful week. The other way is the exit. Okay.
Okay.
Don't forget it wears off at 1 week.
Finally, this house is mine now. White Stickman, Dad, Mom, and the child one. You're going to have to go buy a new house by spending your money up.
No, Black Stickman! Don't! I can't believe it. Black Stickman did this.
Yeah, my factory's inside of the house. Black Stickman took it and lose my old factory. Now Black Stickman's gonna control my factory.
Calm down, White Stickman, Dad. Everything is going to be alright. I guess we'll have to build the cardboard and buy a new house by using wood.
I forgot. There's one more thing.
We are lucky. We found some wood.
That's not wood. That's tree.
Trees? Well, we need to find the axe to cut it so we can make the wood, so we can build our new house. Where's some axe? I guess it should be somewhere. I'm gonna go somewhere, okay? I found the axe. I knew it was right here. Now let's cut the trees with this axe. Wow! I cut the axe with the tree and it turned the wood. Now let's go to a random place and place the wood to make the house.
3 days later, I kind of built the house a lot, but they made it by the way. Here it is.
Wow! We made this house. Where is Black Stickman Dad? We should go inside the house.
Well, okay, you said Black Stickman, not White Stickman. That my dad is behind me.
Hi. Oh, this house looks good. We built it together ourselves. Mom and the child one, you receive an achievement. You receive a house achievement by building a new house together.
Wow, thank you, White Stickman, Dad. Huh, is anyone here in this forest?
Boo!
Ah, you scared me, Brown Stickman.
Sorry for scaring you.
I got a question. What is your name?
My name is Brown Stickman. Brown Stickman. And I like to explore the brown forest.
Wow, cool. But where is your home, Brown Stickman?
I do not know where my home is, but you could help me find it if you want to.
Okay, that will be a good idea. I will help you find your home. I will help anybody.
White Stickman is so friendly. It's so good. He is so smart. Well, thank you. Let's go to our tour through the brown forest.
Okay, Brown Stickman.
Be careful for muddy puddles. A small one is okay, but don't jump in the big one. It will get messy.
Okay, Brown Stickman.
And be careful for brown bears in the forest. And let's don't get too close to them. They are really very dangerous to touch. Let's not go to the bear cave.
Because it's very dangerous?
Yes. Yes, we're finally here. Thank you, White Stickman, for finding my home.
Thank you, Brown Stickman.
I hope you go back there safely, and I will see you later.
You too, Brown Stickman. Zoom, zoom.
Purple Stickman, you are out. You turn your car around.
Aw, man. Purple Stickman is in third place. You tried your best, but you could always win next time. Zoom,
Wow.
zoom.
White and blue Stickman are the final two people are in the race. Who is going to win? White Stickman or Pink Stickman? The race, the finish line is closer now. So, who is going to win? We're going to have to see and find out. The finish line is right there. I wonder who is gonna win.
Zoom, zoom.
Wow. Looks like White Stickman won first. White Stickman hit the finish line before Blue Stickman. White Stickman is the winner. Again.
Thank you for watching my compilation. Subscribe here or watch a random video. I will see you in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe.